Oh, what do we have here? This couple's Walmart skip scan scheme fails miserably by body cam edition. When would these people ever learn that stealing out of Walmart is a no-go? Like, you're going to get caught. They got cameras on top of cameras on top of cameras everywhere. And they have people watching this shit. Eventually, they're going to start taking Walmart out of business because every time it's a Walmart going on somewhere, like every time they put a Walmart somewhere, it just instantly becomes ghetto, bro. Instantly becomes ghetto.
You're yelling at me just like I'm a kid. Irritates the hell out of me.
Who you talking to?
I'm talking to whoever is listening.
On December 13th, 2024,
that was direct.
officers responded to an active shoplifting incident at Walmart.
Bro was really direct with that, wasn't he?
Nobody knew that. Check your work.
It's a separate shoplift. I'll be
Nobody
honest.
shoplift. You're wrong, dude. Don't come up saying
Hey,
wrong shit.
don't tell me what to do.
No, but no one shoplifting.
Nobody shoplifting about anything.
No, I don't care. Don't disrespect
How much
me.
is the microwave?
Listen to your own damn self. Don't listen to
Get
me.
it paid. Here, I paid for my shit.
Listen, go. Oh, this is ridiculous. Fix your barcode and check your work.
You so far in the second call.
I put a sticker on.
So far.
How dare they stop y'all from stealing?
Hang on. Where's the receipt? What are you not understanding about hang on?
buddy?
I said
I
hang
don't know who you're
on.
talking to.
What are you
How the
doing?
fuck I know who you're talking to?
I said
Go
to
the
hang
card.
on.
Hang on for
Where's
what?
the
We're trying
Look
to
at
pay
the fucking
for it.
thing.
It was a
I'm going
problem
to
we
pay
didn't
for
pay.
it.
We're
You
trying
said
to pay
pay
now.
me.
You can't leave the store and not
I'm not
pay for
leaving.
something
Buddy,
and then
nobody
return
paid
it.
for our
Listen,
shit.
you don't know what's going on. You don't even know what's going on.
my
We
shit.
stamped the thing, okay?
Look at my shit, dude. What is your problem?
Listen, just
How the fuck do you walk out with some you paying for you didn't pay for? Then you gonna walk back in and say, "Oh, I'm finna go pay for it." What the hell type of sense does that make?
go to the car because this way more. Give me the money for the microwave.
What are you talking about?
Like somebody put a sticker on the
$1.
thing to get off.
Man, if we rank it up, that's all that happens.
One by one.
He scanned the thing. The worker scanned the thing. Everybody did whatever. I don't care how much it was.
Whatever it
25
came
cents.
up to, I don't know what
We
it
paid
came
what
up
we
This
to.
is
paid
the
for.
scan. This is
Okay,
not-
well, however it goes, when we scanned it, that's what it did. She rung it
Who
up and she
scanned this
scanned
one?
it too. I don't know. She panned it on her phone. Bottom line is, can we get our microwave? Right there.
Okay,
44.
man, so move. Here.
$80.
Watch out, dude. I'll go pay for it.
And
So
then,
you know.
what is this one?
No, he can't tell me. I'm gonna go pay for my shit.
What's that?
Fuck the camera. Let me pay for my shit.
So how much did they pay for this?
And he said it rung up as $1, so we owe you $71 more.
$1?
$1. Maybe
That's
she'll
what he
get you
said.
one too.
Where the fuck are you?
This is too much.
Excuse me, sir. Let me ring it up. So we.
No, I don't think you can buy this.
Yes, I can. Yes, man. I'm not paying for my stuff, bro. Quit trying to make them make your decision for you.
You guys want these guys in the store or no?
Quit trying to start stuff. Let me just make my stuff.
I'm just trying to pay for the microwave.
No, I'll charge you both for theft. Let's go.
Oh my God, who stole what? Nobody stole anything.
Still nothing, bro.
She just can't. Oh my Lord.
Now they know damn well that microwave was not no dollar. That is some CRACK head prices, and they know it.
Okay, in the
She
office.
just.
Nothing, man.
They scared the Apple and said that they scared that what they done. That's probably what they did.
You want to go in handcuffs or you want to go on your own?
I paid for my stuff. No, I didn't know. Listen, bro. He said it. Oh my God.
Both of you guys in the office now.
Okay, well we scanned right here. We didn't know it was $1, man.
No, there's no, you didn't scan the microwave at all.
Okay, so can you go look at your camera, sir?
That's what we're gonna do.
Thank you, and you will see that he scanned it.
In the office.
Thank you. This is ridiculous.
In the office. You're either gonna go in handcuffs or you're gonna go in.
Well, handcuffs for
Go
what?
inside.
My daughter's right here. Hold on.
Go in the
I'm
office.
going. Come on, Jimmy.
Have a seat.
Dumb and dumber.
This is my daughter. Hold on, this is my daughter.
Push past me.
Nobody, listen, don't be disrespectful. I didn't disrespect nobody. This is too much.
Have a seat. Calm down.
Hate this place.
Everybody.
Now, why would y'all be stealing with your kid at the Walmart? He probably stole them chains.
Take off your.
Too much.
I'm not putting up with this.
Too much. What am I
Take off your
doing?
bag.
I'm saying this is too much. It's
Put
crazy.
your hands behind your back.
For what, sir? sir, my daughter's right. I haven't done nothing
I'm
wrong.
gonna ask you one more time.
For what am I getting a handcuffs
You're
for?
getting arrested for
Jimmy,
traffic.
be quiet. Oh, my, arrested for
Put your
what?
hands behind your back. Okay, another
Jimmy,
one.
come.
Another hand.
You have to come down. You have to come down.
This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Could you please rewind the camera, sir?
We will.
Thank you.
If you guys can just take calm,
Calm.
relax.
Why old buddy look like the Whole Food Value version of Jermaine Dupri when he had the braids?
Another word, have a seat. I will figure it out
put him in
for you
handcuffs?
guys.
No, I don't need no handcuffs.
Yes,
Sir. Let's
you
not
do.
do that. No,
You're
I have
under
a
arrest.
disability.
Go
I
ahead.
have a disability, man. Let's not do this. Okay.
Put your hands up behind your back.
Okay? No more noises.
Let me put my money
outside. Your daughter's gonna be fine.
Here, hold on. Can I just do this? You don't have to
She grown. She be all right.
be like this, sir. You don't. I'm 50-something years old. I'm just saying you don't have to
And I'm
act like this.
63.
I know, so
I got
treat me
you
with
Trump.
a little bit of respect,
Yo, you
man.
treat me
Why
with
you
respect.
gritting your teeth and shit, bro?
Because I'm fucking pissed off at you for causing all this crap.
I didn't cause any crap. I don't do that.
Do not
I am. I
turn
have a
on me.
disability, man. I'm not doing anything.
Relax.
You're fucking overdoing everything.
Oh no, you haven't seen nothing yet.
I know, but why are you pushing all this?
Relax.
I didn't do one thing. You're making a decision.
Put it in your.
Here, hold on a second. Don't take my money, please. Let me get that. Let me get.
You should have used that money to pay for the dang microwave. Talk about it was just $1.
Man, let me hold on to it.
Guess what? You in my house now.
What is
Okay?
why you yelling, bro?
Because you ain't listening.
No,
You
you
in my house now. You follow my rules. Sit down.
Biatch.
Holy crap.
He's saying help me. You hear him, bro. Just let's treat me as a man.
You guys want to be disrespectful? You guys can spend the weekend in jail. How's that?
My daughter's out there being disrespectful.
You are talking your way into a weekend at the score jail.
What are you talking about?
Just be quiet.
I just said so. You understand English?
Be quiet. Please.
Quit talking to me, please. You're talking to me, okay?
You made something very simple into a clusterfuck. Okay?
I said let me pay.
No, you can't just fucking take something for $1 and go, oh, I got caught. I'm going to go pay the other $79. No, that's not how it works. Prosecution?
The guys take it.
What we prosecute?
Man, I
What
didn't-
steal?
Sir, why are you doing this to
Why are you
me?
doing this? What did
Please
we
don't do that.
steal?
Why are you doing this to yourself? Now y'all know damn well that thing with no dollar.
Man, I didn't steal anything, man. I'm gonna steal.
Where's my microwave?
You what?
Where's that microwave at?
It's out here in the car.
Where was it?
On the counter.
What are you talking
You
about?
ain't paid
No,
for
I'm
it.
asking, where was it when contact was made?
In the
In
store.
the store.
So you
I walked
guys-
back into the store. I walked out to the car.
I'm sorry, the microwave was in the parking lot. Is that where it was
Yes,
at?
because he had the receipt.
Okay,
He
so you
paid.
passed the final point of sale committing POS fraud.
No, I
No,
spoke
I
to the
didn't
lady.
do
I spoke to the lady at the
Here's
bank.
this.
She
Can
said, I said he has the receipt. He's paying. Both of the workers helped us pay. We didn't know any of what
I
the
didn't
dollar,
do, I
any of
didn't
that.
do any of what you're saying. All I did was scan the stuff, pay the money, and
scan
walk
that
out. The
microwave.
lady asked for the receipt.
It's $80.
Dude does not look like a Walmart manager. It looked like he hacked computers and shit.
So why, sir?
Oh, okay, an $80 microwave for $1.
$80 microwave for
I didn't
$1?
ring it up, or nor did I look at the price. I mean, I rang it up or whatever. I
Ah,
scanned
it's one of
it.
those.
Oh, you didn't look at it and you didn't ring it out, damn yeah.
Like
Look at-
these.
No, I didn't do any
So
of
could
that.
you go back
Because-
to the microwave aisle and watch us looking at microwaves? Did nobody?
We're watching it right now.
I hope
Yeah,
so.
I didn't do
So this is
anything.
what happened.
Nothing,
Yeah.
nothing. I didn't do anything, nothing.
He grabs the gun eventually.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see I'm not doing anything fraudulent,
He
bro.
scans, it says error.
Asked for the warranty. No. He scanned the bed. I scanned the ice trays, and that was that.
You never scanned the microwave.
Yes, I
He
did.
scanned it at the
I
top.
scanned it. I did.
We're watching you the whole time, though.
There's
Well,
an
let
error
me
bed.
watch it with you.
There's the airbag on the bottom.
Where's it at?
He said, let me make sure y'all ain't messing up watching me steal.
Guaranteed times. Where am I at?
So it asks for the warranty for the bed. When you try to scan the microwave, it gave you that red error signifying that it wasn't scanned.
It said that for
error-
the pop,
that
for the
error
soda.
said- no, it didn't. It was for the. It was for the microwave. It's clear right here. Look, I'll show
Okay,
you.
well, I
again.
didn't
just
understand
watch
what
it.
I didn't understand that. I didn't understand what you're saying.
Sir,
I
no,
really
no,
don't
no,
understand.
So your screen
But go back to me where I'm scanning
about
the
to,
stuff.
I'm about to.
It
Give
shows
me a
me
minute.
scanning everything I try to scan.
Right here. Look, check this out.
Okay,
All right, you scanning.
I'm
It
scanning it.
gives you the error. Invalid. You decide to say fuck it.
No, I didn't see this.
Watch this.
I didn't say no fuck it,
And then
dude.
you go scan the bottom.
No,
That's
but
the
I'm not
figure-
saying fuck it because I
What
don't
is the
know.
bottom?
I don't know that
The bottom
the
of the
bottom is my
charger.
bed. I scanned my bed. I didn't try to do what you're saying.
Here's the
That's
thing,
not
though.
true.
Here's the
See,
thing that I
if
need
you
to
look at
understand.
it, bro.
Have a seat.
Yeah, but I'm just saying
I'ma
you
talk
can
to you.
see it, man.
I'ma
I
talk
didn't
to you.
do what you're saying.
Sir, let me talk to you real quick. I need you to understand something. We're not calling you thieves. We're not saying that you are stealing. Our job is that the moment that you pass that last point of sale and you take an item that's not
I
on
did
your
not take
receipt,
an item.
listen, it is considered theft. I'm
I
not
get it.
calling you a
I hear
thief.
you.
All
I
I'm
hear
saying
you.
is that the moment it passes,
Good enough.
It pretty much is a thief, though.
whether it's on your, if it's not on your receipt,
I
it's
didn't look at
considered
that.
theft.
I completely didn't pay that no attention, bro.
And
I thought that meant just.
unfortunately for you, when
Oh
it comes
my
to that,
God, man.
it doesn't matter anymore.
I know,
Because the moment that you pass
If
that
you
last
look at
point of
if you
sale-
look at what I tried to do, man, I did everything I thought was
I'm
easy,
standing
man.
up.
Come on, man,
I'm
don't do
done, I'm
this.
done with this back and forth. I'm telling you, I'm going to file the charges.
Why?
That is what it is.
You didn't see what did you even look at it, sir?
Yeah.
If you see it, you know I didn't do what you're saying.
Okay, that's cool. That's for us to cut to court, okay?
Two more in custody
man.
court.
Whatever,
charges are
that's
being
how you
filed.
feel.
You
You
wanna-
don't have to.
Everyone,
You
you're
just,
gonna
I,
plead
was,
your
I told you if
Conversation's
you
over.
said that, that was that, man.
Conversation is
You're being wrong, man. You're wrong, bro.
Okay.
You're wrong. Hurts my heart, man.
we file charges no matter the amount.
Whatever. I don't need to hear
No.
anything else. It's just that's ridiculous.
It
It didn't happen like you're saying.
I know, and that's
And
something
they
that you-
escalated, and he
that's
just got
something that
loud,
you have
and
the
everyone
right-
else got
listen,
loud,
listen,
and they rushed
listen,
over there
listen.
in a heated rush, man.
Brother, listen,
Fucking
that is something
irritating.
that you can fight when it comes to the charges being sent over.
Dude, I know how things work. You don't have to explain that to me then. It's just like, this is just being ridiculous with how he's taking it and how you feel like with your little bit of authority or whatever you have, you're pushing
This ain't his first time stealing. Shit.
the line, man. And it's the wrong decision to make. You made a mistake, and this is shitty.
Oh,
It's
so
a
we made the mistake.
Yeah.
I can see who plays the victim in this relationship.
Bro, I'm not-
Look how she just looking off and shit.
I'm trying to steal, bro.
Like we scanned the box.
I'm not
Nobody knew
stealing.
nothing was nothing or whatever. The black girl tried to scan it on her phone. 43 wasn't working, and we moved.
You saw what it
The
was,
scanner
man.
wasn't working.
It wasn't
Scanned the top
nothing, man.
box.
Ill
No one
like
was
you're
trying to
saying.
get over or any of it, a dollar. Like nobody was trying to do any of that. We took our time and tried to shop for a microwave. Like this is
This is
crazy.
bullshit. Bullshit. And like I said, when you guys told me the price of it, I get it. Okay, that ain't the price. But here, pay the price. Because that's what I was trying to do. My intent was to pay for what I bought. I didn't come here to steal with the kid and I'm a thief. No, man. It's not true. I'm 50-something years old. You know, I don't like
Damn fool.
the treatment. And you're yelling at me just like I'm a kid. Irritates the hell out of me.
You acting like
Who are
when
you talking to?
I'm talking to whoever is listening.
That's not listening.
You're 50-something years
Don't
old?
give me the stare down, buddy.
Just calm down, please.
Nah, because it
he a veteran crash out.
Irk you, but just please.
it irks the fuck out of me.
Oh, it irks the fuck out of me, too.
What does?
You
Don't
know,
tell me, just you do you.
people
And I'ma do me.
That's what you think.
rationalize everything.
That's what you think. That's what you're doing. You think you're doing that.
You think you developed that method of shoplifting on your own?
Fuck you. I'm not
God.
shoplifting.
I got news for you.
I'm not shoplifting, buddy. I don't
Oh yeah, yo, I going to jail. You don't know you.
You make an
Yeah.
accusation.
I know, you're 50-something years old.
So what? What does that mean?
Whoopie-doo. Everybody just has to make this process so much harder than it has to
You
be.
did that. You made it harder. You think
Oh, no, you want to see hard?
you think you're badass and it's ridiculous.
I do not think I'm a badass.
We don't.
Like man, all this back
It
and
doesn't
forth.
make it any better, guys.
I know, but it doesn't make better. You still antagonizing me.
How am I antagonizing you?
You know what you're doing.
What am I doing?
You know it.
I don't. Enlighten
You know
me.
what you're doing, buddy. If you don't know, it's a sad, sad thing.
Okay. So there are going to be a couple pictures that are going to be taken today. I don't know what his
Unbelievable.
trespass is going to be for you guys. I don't know what his decision is
What
going
is
to
the
be. That is
pictures
my
about?
boss. These pictures. are
My
not gonna
decision
go-
might be score jail for both.
Why? I'm not doing anything, sir.
Let him say what he wants. You get the focus. Okay? So these pictures are going to go.
I'm cooperating.
I understand. And you are.
You are.
Well, you just
I
said
don't know
something.
about this guy. This is guy running his mouth.
All right, guys. Give me a second. So these pictures are not going to go anywhere public, anywhere social. It's not going to stay on our work phones. It's just going to go into our system. So for future reference, if we need to identify you, we can do it that way, okay?
Okay.
So in other words, if you come back stealing, you're gonna get hit with more shit.
Back to the question. Who has ID? You have ID in your purse. Go ahead and stand up. Don't misunderstand this. You guys are still under arrest for theft. All this was totally unnecessary.
This don't even respond.
The vast majority of people.
Don't respond. 'Cause this
Don't kill me
I'm
with
just saying,
hey,
just like we just
leave
said
me
what people are
alone. Leave me
doing.
alone then. Don't do that
You
shit
can
to me.
respond if you want, but I'm saying it's totally unnecessary. You can ask him. The vast majority of people in here walk in without handcuffs because they're cooperative. They don't argue. They don't not listen. They just say, all right, I got caught, and we can sit
Not
down.
my case though, buddy.
Let him check you.
Here it is right here.
What is with today? There's something in the water.
He a little thrown off. He might got TBI.
Everybody, because all 3 times I've come here, people are in handcuffs. And normally I come here and nobody's in handcuffs. Yeah.
One of those days.
It has?
It's been like that for like the past 2 weeks.
So everybody is clear. Randy, you do have some history of organized retail theft, though.
Yeah,
So
yes.
that
I told you they had what you call it in this shit experience.
this is a trespass warning saying that you cannot come back to this particular Walmart for a period of 3 years, correct?
I
Damn,
don't know what he wanted.
I go in Walmart every week. That's gonna be long as hell. Is it that just that Walmart or all the Walmarts in all the world?
Well, it's better than the alternative because the alternative is permanent, I think, right? Yeah. Okay. Good. Sign here. That's just saying I'm giving you a copy. You don't have to sign it if you don't
So you can't go stealing in Walmart until you 53 years old or 54.
want it
There's a notice that says that I can't come here for 3 years.
for 3 years. It's
And
standard.
this-
Everybody that comes to this office gets one of
Now-
So
these.
theirs is it's particular to this Walmart. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah, but
The one of ours is for every Walmart. So you guys can still shop at a different Walmart.
Just kind of come
Keep
to
in
this one.
mind,
until we get this court shit handled, because I
Correct.
do
Sure.
want to come back here, because after that,
Definitely.
this shit's null and void.
I understand that. If you decide to break this trespass, you'll probably be facing more charges. If you decide to come back to Walmart and steal as little as a candy
You know,
bar,
still.
I'm not saying you're stealing, man. I'm just giving you the details. Listen.
You stealing shit. I would have been like, yo, I was stealing. Like, shut up. You got caught stealing. We about to let you go.
If you come back to Walmart and if you steal as little as a candy bar, you can be facing felony charges because not only are you trespassed, but you're stealing, and that's considered.
Last week was so
Just
easy.
giving you the details.
Everybody just said acquiesce.
I wasn't here last
Just letting
Oh,
you know
yeah.
what this means. You understand that?
Today,
So
everybody's
if
just
you
being.
acknowledge to all of that, you can sign the form.
And because it's the Friday the 13th.
The couple was charged with theft. Share your thoughts below and
All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. As helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.